Hey dancers, so today we're going to learn what I like to call the windshield wiper, which is a pretty not sexy name for a sexy dance move, but it looks like a windshield wiper and that's just how it is. So here we go. So there's a few separate moves that are happening here, and they're all just going to be smoothed together to look like one fluid movement. So the first move, I reach back with my hands behind me. After that, I scoot off of my heels. That's move number 2. Move number 3 is that the leg that's away from where I scooted my heels comes forward. And make sure you have nice and pointed toes, always. And then my 4th movement is I'm just going to sweep it against the floor back to where I came from to do the same thing on the other side. I scoot my hips off. I sweep this leg on the floor with a pointed toe. I sweep it back to my heels. So all together, nice and smooth, it looks like this. I scoot and sweep, sweep back, and then the next motion kind of happens all at once here. So the scoot with the arch back. It's like I'm arching my back and then I scoot my hips. In slow motion, I scoot over, I sweep this leg in front, back together where it came from to the other side. I'm definitely sitting back on my hands, and that can allow you to have this arch in your back that's really nice. So you can kind of stay back on your hands the whole entire time. Here's what it looks like in a little dance combination, and just some examples of what you can do before and after. And that's the windshield wiper. Thanks so much for learning this with me. I hope that you learned something new today. And go ahead and leave me any comments or questions down below. Give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you next time.